Hey folks, a very good evening. Hey, welcome everyone, welcome. Keep coming in, keep coming in. Say hello so I can know that you are all set to go for the workout. Say hello, wave it, wave it. Hello people, join in, join in. Hey, hi Hina. Welcome everyone. Keep coming guys, keep coming. Hello everyone, hello. Join in fellas, join in. And keep smiling. Keep a broad smile on your face throughout your workout. Because you must keep smiling. That's some good work you are doing. Alright? And yes, today is Monday. So that's some Monday motivation. Don't forget to click your pictures and post it so you can motivate others to start their workouts. There are a lot of people you can inspire. Go for it. Alright. We are going to start in next 1 minute. So till then, I must tell you what all today's workout holds in for you. So today will be very interesting. We are going to start with the reverse counting. Alright, so in reverse counting, it will be 20, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4 and 2. And at every step there will be a certain exercise. हर एक स्टेप पे एक एक्सरसाइज होगी जिसके अपने को 20 रेप्स करने हैं, फिर उसके बाद 18 रिवर्स ऑर्डर के अंदर करना है. Alright, so it will be very interesting. You will enjoy it, right? So I will always divide it into two shifts. So एक मैं बोलूँगा एडवांस और एक बोलूँगा इजी. So आपको जो भी इजी लगे आप दोनों में से वो कर सकते हैं. Alright. Alright. Let's start with the warm up. Hello Vishnuji, how are you? Keep joining in people, keep joining in. Let's start with the workout. Are you ready to go? Let's do this. Come on everyone. Let's do this. Okay everyone. Stand straight and move your neck a bit on the sides. Move your neck on the sides. Don't jerk it. Jerk nahi karna. Keep it very easy. Move it front and back. 5 times. Keep joining in people. Join in. Alright people, keep moving your neck. Alright, next. Move your shoulders in front. Move your shoulders in front. Alright, 15 times forward and 15 times backward. Shoulder rotation. Only move your shoulders, don't move your entire body. Only your shoulders and keep your hands loose. Keep them moving 15 times forward, 15 times backward. Alright. Okay. Next everyone. Alright. Now start with some slow jog. And jog on your toes. अपनी toes पे jog करिए. Jog on your toes. We are going to do this for a minute. 1 minute तक jog करेंगे अपन. Spot jog. Alright. Join in people, join in. Start with your jogging. This is the warm-up going in. Keep going. Get a bit faster. थोड़ा सा fast करिए. Keep smiling. Keep smiling. Keep jogging. इसको थोड़ा सा स्पीड और बढ़ा दीजिए. थोड़ा सा और फास्ट. All right, go strong. Everyone, go strong. All right, now we have to walk forward and jog backward. Jog forward and jog backward. Come on, come on, come on, guys. Warm up, warm up. The better the warm up, the better you're going to perform the exercise. All right. So never miss your warm up. Move in, move in, move in. Keep moving, keep moving. All right. And stop. All right, all right, all right. Now, put your foot forward and pull your toe towards the sky. All right. And place your leg ahead and bend forward and try to touch your toe and hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Change your leg, put your heel on the ground and stretch your toe towards yourself. All right, and hold it. Hold it, hold it. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. All right, very good. And now we are going to stretch it and release. Stretch it and release. Pull it closer and release. Do it 6 times each leg. 6 times each leg. Pull it and release. Pull it towards your chest. Release. Pull it towards your chest. Release. Pull it. Release. Pull it. Release. Pull it. Release. Pull it. Release. All right. Good to go. Next we have high knees. We are going for 20 high knees. All right. Let's start. Go. Alright, stop. As soon as you're done with high knees, go for butt kicks. Okay? Try to kick your butt. 20 butt kicks. Alright, everyone, alright. Now, we have to do 20 jumps. And now 20 jumping jacks. Go everyone. Keep going. Go at your own pace. 20 jumping jacks. Alright, alright, alright. Good everyone. And now what? Now next everyone. Very good, very good. Breathe in, keep breathing, keep breathing. Next we have to do is we have to jump forward and we have to jump backward. Okay, forward, backward, forward, backward. 20 times. Forward, backward. 1, 2. One time you go forward and one time you go backward. That's it. 2. एक बार आगे जाएंगे, एक बार पीछे जाएंगे तो वो 2 हो जाएगा. आगे पीछे total 20. That means 10 times forward and 10 times backward. Alright, completed guys, completed. That's some helicopter that's going on. Arm over the head and sky. Okay. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And now we are almost ready before the last one to start the workout. And right now we are going to jog forward and backward at our fastest pace. All right, for next 30 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start. Forward, backward, forward, backward, forward, backward. Come on, guys, come on, keep going at your own pace. At your own pace, fellas. Go faster, everyone. Go faster, everyone. Go faster. And ending in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Take a sip of water. Okay. By then listen. अब हम करने क्या वाले हैं? So what we have to do is we are going in the reverse order. हम reverse order में start करेंगे. 20, 18, 16, 14 और हर इवन नंबर पे हम दो रिपीटेशंस ड्रॉप करते जाएंगे. तो जब अब मैं 20 बोलूँगा तो पहली एक्सरसाइज के 20 रिपीटेशंस अपने को करने हैं, राइट. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज के 18 रिपीटेशंस, नेक्स्ट के 16 और धीरे धीरे अपन ड्रॉप करते जाएंगे. अपन 2 रिपीटेशंस तक जाएंगे. ऑल राइट. एंड देयर विल बी नो ब्रेक इन बिटवीन. आप अपनी पेस पे करिए, कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. ऑल राइट. बट यू हैव टू कंप्लीट ऑल द रिपीटेशंस. ऑल राइट. मैं स्लो चलूंगा आराम से. जस्ट ट्राई टू कंप्लीट एवरीवन. जस्ट ट्राई टू कंप्लीट एट योर ओन पेस. ऑल राइट. लेट्स स्टार्ट. So first exercise is high knees. Second exercise is mountain jump. See what mountain jumps are. आप mountain climbers भी कर सकते हैं जो basic level पे है, वो mountain climbers कर सकते हैं. Mountain jumps क्या होते हैं? इसी position में अपन पीछे आएंगे, ये आगे jump करेंगे, ये पीछे जाएंगे, आगे jump करेंगे, पीछे जाएंगे अपनी toes पे, right? These are mountain jumps. All right. So पहली exercise से start कर रहे हैं अपन, and that is high knees. So let's start with the high knees. On my count. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Go, everyone. Go. Go for 20 high knees. Next. 18 mountain climbers or mountain jumps. All right. Come on, people. Come on. Keep going. Keep going, guys. Keep going. Complete your 18 repetitions. Do it 18 times. Come on, guys. Come on. Go. Go, everyone. Go. Next. We have to do 16 shoulder taps. Get into a push-up position and shoulder taps. 1, 2, 4. You have to do 16. Come on, guys. Go at your own pace. जिन्होंने माउंटेन क्लाइंबर्स माउंटेन जंप फिनिश कर दिए हैं, डू द शोल्डर टैप्स. 16 shoulder taps. Come on, guys. Finish with your shoulder taps. Finish with your shoulder taps, guys. After shoulder taps, you have to do the tabletops. All right. अपनी हील्स को अपने हिप्स के पास में रखिए, अपने हाथों को पीछे रखिए. All right. And then go up and look back. जब ऊपर जाएंगे तो हिप्स स्क्वीज होंगे. You have to do 14 of them. अपनी पेस पे जाइए. Go at your own pace.
जल्दी नहीं करनी है. टोटल टेबल टॉप्स की 14 रिपीटेशंस. गर्दन पूरी पीछे तक जाएगी, हिप्स पूरे ऊपर आएंगे. All right, guys. Next, you have to do 12 push-ups. Go for 12 push-ups, guys. Get on to 12 push-ups, guys. Okay, I have few questions here. I'll answer them at the end. Go with 12 push-ups, guys. 12 push-ups. Go at your own pace. Finish your 12 push-ups. Finish your 12 push-ups, and after that, you have to do 10 burpees. Guys, you have to go for 10 burpees right after this. After 12 push-ups, go for 10 burpees. And do not stop. Alright, go. At your own pace, guys. 10 burpees after push-ups. Come on, guys, finish off your burpees. Finish off your burpees, everyone. Ten burpees, everyone. I'll answer all these questions at the end of this workout. I'll take out 5 extra minutes. So just keep listening after that. After 10 burpees, you have to go for squat and punches. So squat and 4 punches. 2, 3, 4. Up. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Up. Squat. 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. Get down and 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8 squat and punches. Come on, come on, come on. Punches अपने face के सामने कोशिश करिए punch करने का. Alright. Right in front of your face. Alright. Squat. Punches. Squat. Punches. Squat. Punches. Do 8 of them. Squat. Punches. Squat. Punches. Do it, do it. 8 repetitions. Complete 8 repetitions, guys. Alright. Now, let's do the reverse lunges. 6 each leg. Alright, 6 each leg. So take your leg back. Take your leg back. And get the weight on your rear leg. आपका weight आपके पीछे वाले leg पे आना चाहिए. 6 each leg, guys. Go for 6 reverse lunges. Alright, change your leg at your own pace. Go at your own pace, guys. Do not rush. Complete 6 reverse lunges each leg. Alright, everyone, keep going, keep going. Keep going, everyone. And जिसने ये finish किया, 6 reverse lunges each leg. Go for tuck jumps or high jumps. 4 tuck jumps. जो टक जंप्स नहीं कर सकते वो हाई जंप्स करेंगे. पहले टक जंप्स देखिए. टक जंप्स के अंदर आपको अपने नीज को अपने चेस्ट पे टच करना है. 1, 2, ऑलराइट 4. और जो हाई नीज जो हाई जंप करना चाहते हैं उनके लिए जंप हायर बट लैंड ऑन योर टोज सॉफ्टली. अपने टोज पे सॉफ्टली लैंड करिए. बैलेंस बना के रखिए. डू 4 ऑफ देम. 4 ऑफ देम. कम ऑन कम ऑन कम ऑन. And now let's last exercise. ये मेरे count पे. Let's do it on my count. I'm going to start in 10 seconds. Sorry, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And squat hold for 20 seconds. Two times we have to do this. Start, everyone. Let's do a squat hold. Keep holding it, keep holding it. Hold it, hold it. Do not bend forward. Do not bend your knees or bring your knees to ahead. Keep your hips tight, everyone. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get up, get up, get up. And start again. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. One more time for 20 seconds. Let's do this, do this, do this. Come on, guys. Come on, come on, come on. Hold it, hold it, hold it. Hold it. Feel the burn. Feel the burn in your thighs. Feel the burn in your thighs. Your thighs are getting stronger. Come on, you runner. Getting stronger. Ending in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and rest. Rest for 90 seconds, guys. And we're going to start back. All right. Have a sip of water. Have a sip of water, everyone. Come on, everyone. Well done, well done. You're all fantastic. You're doing a great job. Keep moving, keep moving. Do not stand. Keep moving. Keep moving your body. Keep it in motion. You're all doing fantastic. You're all champions. And you are all the inspiration for so many people who are not working out. Inspire a lot many people. You can always do that. Just inspire more people to work out. Just inspire more people to take up a healthy life. You can do it because you're doing it for yourself, and you can share the happiness with all the other people out there. We are going to start back in 15 seconds. Be ready, guys. Be ready. We'll repeat the entire set, and we're going to start back in 10 seconds. And I know you are ready for it. Let's do this and finish it off. Starting back in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Start with the high knees. 20 high knees. Next, guys. Mountain jumps. Let's try and do the mountain jumps. Get into a push-up position and jump forward, backward. Do it 18 times at your own pace. Do it at your own pace, guys. Keep going, keep going. Other ones, you can do the mountain climbers as you did in the first round. Come on, next, we have to do the shoulder taps. Shoulder taps, guys, shoulder taps. 16 shoulder taps. Go at your own pace. Sixteen shoulder taps, guys. Complete 16 shoulder taps. After that, you have to go for tabletops. All right. You do not have to touch your hips when you come down. आप अपने hips नीचे touch नहीं करेंगे वापस जब आप नीचे आएंगे. All right. Let's go. 14. 1. Go at your own pace. अपने hips को tight करिए जब ऊपर लेके जाएं और नीचे आए तब भी. अपने hips को पूरे टाइम tight रखिए. Keep your hips squeezed. Completed, guys. 14 repetitions. 14. Complete them. As soon as you complete the tabletops, go for 12 push-ups. Go for 12 push-ups. All right, guys, go, 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 go. You are stronger than you think. You have that power. Go for that power. Go for 12 push-ups. Complete at your own pace. Complete the push-ups at your own pace. Go, go, go. Go, guys, go, go, go. As soon as you finish the push-ups, go for 10 burpees. Go for 10 burpees, people. As soon as you finish the push-ups, go for 10 burpees. Finish your 10 burpees, folks. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Keep your long breathe up. 10 burpees. And after that, 8 squat and punches. 1 squat, 4 punches. Total 8. Let's do it. As soon as you complete the burpees, start with a squat and punches. Do 8 of them. In a squat, keep your hips tight. Do it, do it, do it. Do it, fellas. Come on. Come on. Go, go, go. Go for it. Punch it. Punch it. Punch it. Punch it, everyone. Squat and punch. Squat and punch. Do 8 of them. After squat and punches, do the reverse lunges, 6 each leg. Alright? Try to keep the weight on your back leg. Six each leg, guys. 6 each leg. अपना वेट पीछे वाले लेग पे रखिए, इसको ग्राउंड तक लेके जाइए और वापस ऊपर लेके आइए. Go for 6 reverse lunges, guys. Next is tuck jumps or high jumps. जिसको easy करना है, go for high jumps and land on your toes softly. Next, go for tuck jumps and land on your toes softly. Alright, do it very safely. Do not injure yourself. And go. 4. Do 4 of them. And now, on my count, we are starting back in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Squat and hold. Squat and hold, guys. We're going to do it for 20 seconds, 2 times. Hold it. Hold it, hold it. Come on. Show some gratitude. Namaste, everyone. Namaste. Keep holding. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. And 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. And we are starting in 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's squat and hold. Let's go for it. Let's see how much power you got in your legs, fellas. How much power you've got. Come on. Let's do this. Let's do this. Do not hold back. Alright, alright. Come on, come on. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Oh, it's burning, isn't it? Did your legs feel the burn? I know they did. All right, keep moving them, keep moving them. Take some rest, have some water, wipe out your sweat, or take a selfie, and we will be back again for the stretching in next 1 minute. All right, relax, relax, take some long breathe, keep sweating. That's good for you. You're burning some calories, you're burning some fat, you're gaining strength, and you are getting awesome. All right, never forget to say that I am awesome, because yes, you definitely are. Yes, take a selfie. And Prabjot Kalra, we are trying to work out on the morning session, but we have not been able to do it so far. We get time in evening. We'll try to do it in the morning as well, but we are not sure about it. But yes, evening is always fantastic. We are doing it every day at 7 p.m. If we just figure out to do it in morning, yes, we will definitely, you know, you can always check for the updates on the page. Great. Yes, everyone is awesome. All right, guys, get back, everyone, and start with the stretch. Okay. So first stretch, stand straight, and आपको चेस्ट बाहर लेके आना है, अपने शोल्डर्स पीछे स्ट्रेच करने हैं. ऑल राइट, ये शोल्डर्स को पीछे पूरा स्ट्रेच करना है, हाथों को नॉर्मल. Stretch your shoulders back. All right, put your chest out, your face in the front, and hold it. Hold it. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and relax. You're going to do one more time. All right, stretch. Put your chest out, shoulders backward, and stretch. 3, 2, 1, relax. All right, all right, all right, all right. Good, very good. Now, hold your hands backward, lock them, and stretch them towards the ground. Right? Stretch them towards the ground. इनको हाथों को पकड़ो, पीछे लॉक करो, और इनको ग्राउंड की तरफ प्रेस करो. All right, feel the stretch. And now इनको धीरे धीरे पीछे से लिफ्ट करना स्टार्ट करें. लिफ्ट लिफ्ट लिफ्ट, जहाँ तक लिफ्ट कर सकते हैं उतना लिफ्ट करिए. आगे बेंड नहीं होना है, गर्दन स्ट्रेट रखनी है, सिर्फ हाथ उठेंगे पीछे. ओनली लेग्स विल, ओनली योर हैंड्स विल बी लिफ्टेड. ब्रिंग देम अप, जितना होल्ड ला सकते हैं, और होल्ड करें. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, एंड रिलैक्स. रिलैक्स करें. Keep shaking your hands. Shake your hands a bit. All right, everyone. Okay. अब सभी बैठ जाएं. सभी बैठ जाएं. अपने दोनों पैर सीधे करें. अभी एक पैर को उठा के अपने फीट को अपने नी के थोड़ा सा ऊपर की तरफ साइड में रख लीजिए. ऑल राइट. अभी इसको अपोजिट हैंड से पूरा पकड़िए, लॉक करिए पूरा, और दूसरे हाथ से पकड़िए और अपने चेस्ट की तरफ इसको पूरा पुल करिए. अभी आपको पूरा इसको पुल करके रखिए, होल्ड करके रखिए. आपको अपने पूरे हिप एरिया में स्ट्रेच फील हो रहा है. इसको होल्ड करके रखें. कीप होल्डिंग इट. सो स्ट्रेचिंग आफ्टर वर्कआउट इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, क्योंकि जो आपके मसल्स पंप अप हुए हैं, they need to get relaxed. All your muscles need to get relaxed. All right, so you need to stretch well. Keep holding it, keep stretching it. Stretch feel करते रहिए and relax. And now change your leg. दूसरे पैर को रखिए उठा के, इसको पकड़िए, दोनों हाथों से, और अपनी तरफ इसको पुल करिए। इसको पुल करें, पुल करें। एवरीवन कीप पुलिंग इट, कीप पुलिंग इट। फील द स्ट्रेच in your hip area. Feel the stretch, feel the stretch, and relax. All right. अपने दोनों हाथों को, दोनों पैरों को बटरफ्लाई में ले आइए। All right. दोनों पैरों को पकड़िए, अपने हिप्स को पास में लेके आइए जितना ला सकते हैं। एंड नाउ स्विंग योर लेग्स। अपनी पीठ सीधी रखिए, इनको पकड़ के रखिए और सिर्फ आपके लेग्स से स्विंग करेंगे। ऑलराइट, आपकी बॉडी मूव नहीं होगी, सिर्फ लेग्स को नीचे की तरफ पुश करना है। ऑलराइट, स्विंग करिए। वी आर गोइंग टू डू द स्विंग फॉर 15 सेकेंड्स। कीप स्विंगिंग योर लेग्स एंड कीप योर बैक स्ट्रेट। Swing, swing, swing. And you can sing along that song Titli Udi. With that, Titli Udi, उड़ के चली, फूल ने कहा आजा मेरे पास, तितली कहे। I don't know इसके आगे क्या है। So okay, relax. इसी पोजीशन में होल्ड करिए, इसको पकड़ के रखिए and keep your elbows near your knees. और अभी इनको अपने एल्बोज से अपने पैरों को नीचे प्रेस करिए। एल्बोज से अपनी नीज को नीचे प्रेस करिए। ओके, रिलैक्स। इसी पोजीशन में रहिए। अभी दोनों अपने हाथों को आगे जमीन पे रखिए और आगे प्रेस करिए। आगे प्रेस करें, होल्ड करें एंड रिलैक्स। ऑलराइट, अभी एक पैर खोल के अपना आगे रख लीजिए और एक पैर को यहीं पे फोल्ड करके रखिए। ऑलराइट, अभी क्या करना है, अपने हाथों को आगे लीजिए और अपने हाथों को यहाँ पे आगे रख दीजिए। ऑलराइट, अभी आपका पूरा ये थाई जो हैमस्ट्रिंग वाले ये पूरा स्ट्रेच होगा। पैर को अंदर फोल्ड करके रखिए, यहाँ पे हाथों को आगे रखिए और हाथों को आगे स्ट्रेच करिए। ऑलराइट, स्ट्रेच करिए, जितना नीचे बेंड कर सकते हैं उतना बेंड करिए। अपने चेस्ट को ग्राउंड की तरफ लेके जाने की कोशिश करिए। होल्ड करिए, सीधे हो जाए। अभी अपने अपोजिट हैंड से अपने टो को टच करने की कोशिश करें। इसको 10 बार टच करने की कोशिश करें। 2, 3, 4। और 10th टाइम पे जाके होल्ड कर लें, जहां पे जितना आगे पैर के कर सकते हैं उतना। ऑलराइट, दूसरे पैर को नीचे रखिए, उसको होल्ड और अपनी टो को होल्ड करिए एंड रिलैक्स। अभी लेग चेंज करिए, वही सेम, हाथों को आगे रखिए एंड आगे प्रेस करिए। जितना आगे प्रेस कर सकते हैं उतना आगे प्रेस करिए। डू इट, डू इट, होल्ड इट, डू इट, होल्ड इट एंड रिलैक्स। अभी अपोजिट हैंड से अपनी टो को टच करने की कोशिश करिए। टेंथ टाइम पे जाके उसको पकड़ लीजिए, जितना पकड़ सकते हैं, जहां से पकड़ सकते हैं वहां से पकड़ लीजिए। होल्ड करिए, अपने चेस्ट को अपनी नी की तरफ लेके जाने की कोशिश करिए एंड रिलैक्स। ओके, अभी अपने टोज पे बैठ जाइए और एक एक करके एक एक बार में एक एक टोज को प्रेस करें और दूसरी टो को ऊपर उठाएं। इस तरह से ये ऊपर उठाई, भी नीचे प्रेस किया। अपनी हील को पीछे की तरफ प्रेस करें। राइट, अपना वेट आगे रखें और अपनी हील को पीछे की तरफ प्रेस करें। राइट, वेरी गुड। राइट एवरीवन, अभी क्या करना है, सीधे खड़े हुए, एक पैर आगे रखिए और पीछे वाले पैर को बेंड मत करिएगा, ऑलराइट। पीछे वाला पैर बेंड नहीं होगा, बट दोनों जो टोज हैं वो सामने की तरफ रहेंगी, राइट। और आगे वाले पैर को धीरे धीरे फोल्ड करिए और अपने आगे पूरा थाई एरिया में स्ट्रेच फील करिए। आगे वाले पैर को बेंड कर दिए, पीछे वाले पैर को बेंड नहीं करने देना है। द रियर लेग विल नॉट बेंड, इस तरह से इट विल कीप स्ट्रेट। सो फील द स्ट्रेच ऑन योर थाई, दैट इज योर quadricep, and come back, and now do it for another leg and hold it for other leg, hold it for other leg, guys. 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, very good. अभी लेग्स ओपन करिए। अभी क्या करना है नेक्स्ट, ये हाथ ऊपर उठाना है, ये हाथ साइड में रखना है एंड स्टार्ट बेंडिंग। आगे की तरफ बेंड नहीं होना, पीछे बेंड नहीं होना, एकदम मेरे लेग के बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली पैरेलली इसको बेंड करते जाना है यहाँ से, ऑलराइट। कीप बेंडिंग, जितना बेंड कर सकते हो उतना बेंड करो, जितना नीचे तक जा सकते हो उसको स्लाइड होने दो, हाथ को पूरा नीचे जाके होल्ड करो। 5 4 3 2 1, स्लोली अप, ऊपर आ जाइए, स्लोली कम अप। नाउ डू इट फॉर अदर लेग on the other side. Put your hand up and slide it slowly, keep sliding it, reach the maximum, hold it, 5 4 3 2 1, relax, come up. All right, keep your legs open and now keep your back straight and bend forward. All right, keep slowly bending forward, and अपनी अपर बॉडी को एकदम लूज छोड़ दीजिए। जैसे नीचे जा रही है जाने दीजिए, आराम से नीचे ले जाइए इसको आराम से, जितना नीचे जा सकती है, एंड कीप इट फ्लोइंग, पूरा नीचे जाने दीजिए इसको। कीप स्विंगिंग इट, जितना मैक्सिमम नीचे जा सकती है। जहाँ पे नीचे पहुँच गई है वहाँ पे हाथों को आगे रख लीजिए, जहाँ पे भी हाथ पूरे रख सकते हैं, और धीरे धीरे अपने हाथों को वॉक करके लेके आइए अपनी तरफ। जहाँ पे भी पूरे हाथ आ जाएं वहीं पे, हाथों को ऊपर नहीं उठाना है, फिंगर्स पे नहीं आना है, पूरे पाम्स टच होने चाहिए। पास में ले आइए, जहाँ पे पास में आ गया मैक्सिमम वहाँ पे अपने शोल्डर्स को नीचे प्रेस करिए ताकि आपके पूरे लेग स्ट्रेच हों। इसको फर्दर पुश करिए थोड़ा सा, कम ऑन गो, होल्ड इट फॉर 5 4 3 2 1 एंड रिलैक्स। धीरे धीरे ऊपर आ जाइए। एक लास्ट स्ट्रेच, ये पीछे क्वाड्रिसेप स्ट्रेच करना है, एंकल से पकड़िए और इसको अपने हिप की तरफ प्रेस करिए, ऑलराइट। ये मेरे को यहाँ पे आगे नहीं लेके जाना है और ना पीछे, ये एकदम पैर के बराबर में, ऑलराइट। देख सकते हैं, अपनी नी को ग्राउंड की तरफ फोर्स करिए और अपने हील को अपने हिप की तरफ, ऑलराइट। होल्ड करिए एंड 5 4 3 2 1, लेग चेंज करिए, change your leg and hold it, hold the position। आगे बेंड नहीं होना, सीधा रखना है बॉडी को, and hold it। 5 4 3 2 1, everyone just clap everyone। Yes, you did it, just say it loud, yes, I did it। People hear it around you that you did something really awesome today. All right, if I'm sweating, then I'm sure you are sweating too as well. So I hope you enjoyed. And now there were few questions, a few people asked a few questions out there. So okay, firstly, thanks to everyone who joined in today. And I'm really glad that you are enjoying the workouts with me, and I'm just really thankful, and I'm glad that I've been able to take out the time for you guys, and I hope every one of you is getting benefits of it. Okay, so the questions. First question was from Preetha Vasan. Okay, Preetha asked, mountain jumps are half burpees, right? Why do I get knee pain with this? Okay, mountain jumps are basically, they are not even the half burpees, they are the half burpees, right? So in a burpee, you stand up, then jump, and then get down, then do the mountain jump and get back and get up, right? So the problem is like, I'm not a doctor for sure, neither I'm a physio, I'm just a coach, so I can just guide you on this. I can only suggest you the reasons why you get the knee pain in this is like when you are jumping and when you're coming forward, you're bending your knees, right? The problem might be that your knee and surrounding muscles are not that strong right now, so that is the reason you are getting that pain. All right, so start with some knee and like all these knee and surrounding muscles exercise to get them stronger. Also, the always do some good warm up and mobility for your knee and surrounding muscles, like all these legs and hamstrings, everything. Do some mobility exercise for your legs, starting from your spine and everything. So that might be the reason behind your knee pain, and just take care of it. Just get some strengthening exercise on point, and I'm sure you will be able to do all these exercises without any pain. And next question was, okay, no problem, Rupa. We are thankful that you are enjoying the sessions, and definitely we missed you too today. Prabjot, I've already answered your question about the morning session. Ina, thank you so much that you enjoyed. Next question. There was one more question out there. Okay, all questions done. So thank you so much, everyone. You're all awesome, and thanks for joining in today. Do take your selfie, do take your photographs, and tag us on Instagram stories. Just tag me at the rate Ironman Coaching, and tag Indian Runners and Indian Marathon, and we will share back your stories. Do reach out to us for any kind of questions or any other support. Thank you so much. You are fantastic. You're awesome. And believe me, you are actually awesome. And that's what your Monday motivation was like. So that was my motivation too, because you all worked out with me. Thank you, everyone. See you. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow.